Alright, we are going to be tie-dyeing today. We're going to do some Mickey tie-dye for our trip coming up. We need to do them this weekend because the trip's next weekend and we're just not going to have enough time if we don't get it done now. But yeah, I pulled out all my old tie-dye supplies that I haven't pulled out in like over a year. So we're just going to use what we've got. I did get a bottle of black for the Mickey head and the ears, you know, and the rest we're just going to do whatever colors we want on our own shirts. I've got to get to preparing these shirts, tying them up and everything, getting them wet, not super wet, just like damp so the color like takes and blends easier. I used to do it dry and it does make the color like a bit more vibrant because it'll be like slightly less diluted, but it's just a lot easier to fully saturate the shirt if you have it at least slightly wet. So that's what we're going to be doing, but let me go get the shirts ready so we can get this started.
I can't think.
We're ready to get started. We're gonna do one at a time, so I'm gonna start with Zoe here. She's ready.
Yes.
And I'm gonna do
very well.
I'm gonna do the black on the head and the ears, just so that's done, and then she's going to do the rest of it. It's important to rinse the grates between coloring so that way the color doesn't transfer onto the next shirt. I do this before every new shirt, but I'm going to not show it every time because it'll be a bit redundant, but just know between each shirt I am rinsing the grates off every time. Those shirts are now marinating in the dye, and I'm going to leave them in there until tomorrow, and then I'm going to rinse them out, wash them, and we'll see the final product. Time to rinse these bad boys. at the finished product. Not half bad if I do say so myself. Alright, well that is it for this video. If you liked, please leave a like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And it's a free way to support my channel. If you want to see all of our Disney adventures, I will be posting those vlogs coming up shortly. Also, it's not a bad idea to wear gloves when you're rinsing as well. I've got a little bit of stainage going on. But that will only last like a day or two. I've had tie-dye on my hands many a time and it's not permanent. Thank God. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.